block of line is a really specific rail term. To keep safe our workers from harm, we need to close the track. That means that we are blocking the line from any train movement. So they don't have to worry that the upcoming train will hit any of the equipment or our workers, so they can focus on the work. Now we are focusing on the foundation underneath, on the drainage. So the works that we are providing right now, they will be providing a better service for the next 25 to 30 years. All the planning was started in 2019, and then we need to do the designs, and that happens around like 3 or 4 months prior to work. So our delivery team can focus on a really good planning because they have like a really tight windows. I think a group like 30 to 50 people working all together closely, providing like the best expertise to keep our workers safe and job done correctly.